much slime.
Okay.
Welcome to Super Station TV. Today it's 465 days of Halloween day. Today we're gonna make Halloween slime.
Hey guys, today's our first episode in 31 days of Halloween.
Yeah,
So we're gonna do a video every day leading up to Halloween. So today we're making Halloween slime. We got our glue, we got our activator, and we got some fun add-ins, and we're gonna make some slime.
I'm gonna pour this first glue in. Oh,
Here, you want some help?
and here's my dad helping me.
Assistance.
Yeah, I
All
got.
right, start dumping them out.
Mm,
We got 3 bowls, we got 3 spoons.
You. Yeah. It makes funny sounds like a pig.
It makes funny sounds like a pig.
Yeah.
Luckily, we have a pig as a dog.
Oh yeah, I call it Piglet.
Piglet.
Yeah.
And Piglet is under the table right now because she
Oh.
thinks we're actually making food, not slime.
Yeah.
We got our fun Target Halloween dress on for our first day of 31 days of Halloween, right, Cece?
Oh yeah.
Squeeze it, girl.
Sometimes my hands get sore when squeezing things. Ew. So guys, I'm 4. So you didn't see my birthday. Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay. And now stir it up, girl.
I'm gonna say it. Maybe we need a little bit of activate. A little bit more. Okay. I think that's enough. Wait, I can
Okay.
little skin slimy away.
I think you got enough.
1,
Looks like black goo, Cece.
yeah, and space.
And space.
Oh, look, this matches orange.
Alright, dump some
Look,
activator.
look, guys, this matches orange.
The orange matches the orange.
I think
Alright, I love it.
a little more. So my mom doesn't like slime that much.
I don't like slime, guys. That is a true story. I think that we need some more activator in that purple. So why don't you dump more activator in that? A lot of it, just. Give it a nice dump.
Like
Yep,
that?
okay. Alright, okay. Alright.
That will make it. Oh. Oh my goodness. But I do like slime. It's so fun. It's like slime.
Okay, then you have to put a little bit more in this one. Ooh, slime spill.
Looks like the ooze from Power Rangers.
Ooh. dump a whole bunch in there. Oops.
Like that.
Dump a little bit more.
Like that.
Yep, okay. Now try to,
Stir it.
yep, stir it. Ooh. I regret everything.
Me too. I don't a little bit.
2 hours later.
I couldn't get it to come together.
I'm gonna play. Mine is gonna be really Mario.
I'm gonna put in some purple glitter too.
Mine is gonna be beautiful.
Yours is beautiful.
I'm gonna get a little bit each glitter inside there.
Alright, guys.
A little bit every glitter in there. A little bit up.
Some green glitter.
I need some green. Some green. I want green. Papa says that.
Alright, start mixing it in.
I want to use it more for the
Ooh.
ballsy. More green. And especially a little bit more. Wait. This one.
Fold them in.
Little bit each. Like that. Storm it up. And then, don't do my slime. The next.
Oh, so far she's winning the stretch test.
Oh yeah, Cece's is definitely way stretchier than mine. I think because we put less activator in that one. Oh, I don't know. This is pretty stretchy. You want a limbo under it? Oh, she does it, ladies and gentlemen. Oh no, don't hit the pig, don't hit the pig. Ooh, I made a nice slime.
It's down for my arm. I like mine. What do you think about my slime? Make it like, do it like easier. Like that. Thank you, Cameron.
Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you tomorrow with Super CCTV. Peace out, homies.
Wait, on the trace that's in the wet in this one. Get back. This. Peace out, slime beers. I said
All right.
slime you.